ये जो आप कैमल राइड करवाते हो, अब कितने पैसे लेते हो इसके?
बच्चे का
Today is November 29, 2024, and I'm standing right in front of Puri Sea Beach, one of the most popular sea beach in India. It's peak winter, and guess what? It's chilling in the beach, but still there are thousands of people who are taking bath in the sea water. The weather is pretty chilled, and look around, it's looking so colorful. A vibrant beach in Puri, one of the most famous sea beach in India. When you are in beach, your heart automatically becomes like a kid. You want to play with the water, you want to make sand castle, and look around. Even the adults are doing this all childish activity. This is the true nature of water. And this is the reason why nature pulls you toward itself to bring back all those rejuvenation moments of your life, to make you feel good, to make you feel better, and then it will throw you again back to your normal daily life. भैया आप एक बार इसमें बोल दोगे आप कितने लेते हो? ये जो आप कैमल राइड करवाते हो, अब कितने पैसे लेते हो इसके?
बच्चे का 50 रुपये और बड़ों का 100 रुपये।
और कितना टाइम आप इसका?
200 मीटर घुरा पे।
200 मीटर तक आप ओके, ठीक है। तो 100 रुपये लेते for adults. Ride for this camel is 100 rupees, and within 200 meters in this beach area you can take a safari. There's also other camels. There are plenty of camels here. If you want to enjoy this ride, you can come here, and this is an incredible experience riding a camel in the middle of a sea beach. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever been to any beach area, beach location in the world in winter? Because the vibe is completely different when you are traveling in beach in the winter. I'm totally excited about this beach exploration, because you see, everyone right here is in a very vibrant mood. Everybody is having lots of fun in this water, and you know, waters, especially ocean water, it washes away a lot of your I just soaked my feet. So as I was saying, ocean waters takes away a lot of your stress, a lot of your difficulties of life the moment you are dipping in it, because nature has all the cure, nature has all the medicines. Today the waves are pretty angry, I believe, because of the tide. I think it's high tide time, and as you can see, the ocean waves I'm basically playing with the waves. Don't worry about the safety, because this beach is full of lifeguards. They're taking a watch on you. So do it mindfully. Take a dip mindfully, because your safety is also important. Look at the rushing waves. This is the situation right now at Puri Sea Beach in the
month of November 29th, 2024. It's high tide time, and look at how powerful the waves are, how big, how giant this waves looks like. Incredible. Puri Sea Beach is also famous for the variety of fishes that you will get. You can actually eat fried fish sitting right on the beach. There are a few stalls that you have to explore. They keep on shifting from one place to another because of the water level, but you can surely find some fresh fish. They will fry it right in front of you. When I decided to make this video, I had no idea before coming from my hotel that this is what I will experience right on the heart of Sea Beach. That I've been here for 3 days almost, and I've not seen the ocean to be this fierceful. I think it's quite angry with people, or maybe it's the high tide time. But it looks incredibly beautiful when the tides are like in this high, and look at the water right behind me. The sun is rising up. It's a little bit cloudy also as well, because in the morning we had some in Puri there were some showers, rainfall, and that made the weather really cold. At the same time, there's like incredible wind is blowing. The door of my hotel was like somebody banging the door. Literally somebody was banging the door. It was like that. Woo! Fortunately, the cloud is removing and the sun rays are falling on the waves, water of this ocean, and look at how beautiful it's looking from all the corners. Miles and miles and miles stretch of water, gustling sound of waves, fierceful waves. Look at the ocean. Look at the beauty of ocean right now. People of all age are having an extreme amount of fun, joy, and everybody is in a mood of cheerful and a mood of relaxation. Even the adults have become a little bit childish, because that's what this nature beauties will do with you, right? So if you're planning a trip to Puri, if you're thinking what is the best time to visit Puri, I would suggest you, it's my personal recommendation, that plan a trip between October and November, because this is a time when the temperature and the weather is pretty comfortable, because throughout the entire place it will be cool, it will be calm, it will be quite easy to roam around, and the beach waves are also extremely beautiful. The problem with the summer, which is May, June, July, August, is that you will face an extreme amount of heat throughout this location, throughout Puri. So it will be really uncomfortable for you to explore other places. You know, the entire Puri, the sightseeings are made of rocks, and when you're walking on those, especially Puri Mandir, you have to walk barefoot, and it gets really difficult in the summer to walk in Puri Mandir and explore it. Similarly, coming in the beach, even in the morning, it will be scorching heat, and of course the water always remains cold. That is one blissful thing. But yeah, my personal recommendation is come between October November, and you'd get the best of Puri vibes, Puri sea beach vibes.
Write down in the comment your favorite moment in a beach holiday, and if you have ever been to Puri, what is your favorite thing in Puri? This was the second part of my Puri vlog. In the next week video, I'm coming up with Puri sightseeing vlog, where I will share prominent sightseeing places in Puri and which you can explore in the minimum cost, in the most cheapest way. So subscribe this channel, like this video, share this with your friends, and in the next week video you will get a lots of information about Puri adventure, Puri visit. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.